Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ngayon, magluluto ako ng bistik na bangus. So, ang gagamitin ko guys, ito boneless na guys, yan. Boneless bangus. Gagamit din ako ng kalamansi juice, onions, garlic, magic, black pepper, soy sauce, and oyster sauce and flour. Salt. So, ang gagawin natin guys, gagawa muna ako ng sauce guys. Yung sauce natin, i-ready na natin. Ready tayo ng soy sauce. Yan guys, half cup. Yan. Ito na yung sauce natin guys. Ready tayo ng oyster sauce. 2 spoon. Black pepper. 1 teaspoon. Lagyan na rin natin ito guys. Ito na yung sauce natin. Okay. Lagyan ko ng kalamansi guys. Yan. Okay, lagyan ko na yan. Half glass water. Yan. Yan na yung sauce natin guys. Lagyan ko ng konting salt guys. Yan. Guys. Okay. Then guys. Salt. Pepper. Ang gagawin ko guys, ididip ko to. Yan. Yun. Lagyan natin yan, ganyan. At uli. Ilagay nyo lang sa medium yung apoy guys. Natin guys. Yun, ganyan guys. Pagkarin natin. Okay. Guys, yan, pwede na yan guys, yan, para medyo may juicy pa. Okay, nagawa na tayo ng sauce guys. Ilalagay lang natin yung sauce, yan, yan, garlic, yan guys, onion. Okay. Bukasan natin yung sauce guys, yan. Yan na yung sauce natin guys. Yan na guys, kulong-kulo na. Ilagay natin itong itong pinrito natin bangus. Okay. Okay guys, sana nagustuhan niyo itong bistik bangus. Thank you very much for watching.